Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly and easily loose lace up New Balance 574 using standard long laces. First we need to insert the laces into the bottom two holes, then take the right half of the lace and thread it into the left hole. Use your finger to limit the tension of the lace. Then take the left end of the lace and thread it into the right hole. Also use your finger to limit the tension of the lace. Continue doing this until the end of the holes. At the end, take the laces and cross them twice, and thread the ends into the last holes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.